how to turn a post, your image or your video or everything you have in your profile to archive and not delete. Today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just open your Instagram. Then as you see, when you open Instagram, and as everyone know, it will open automatically on home. You will just now go to profile. Then on profile guys, you will go to the picture that you want to do that. To send it to archive, you will just go to this 3 point here, click on it, and then click archive like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.